Assistive technologies refers to physical items, equipment, applications, systems, or any learning support used to create and sustain equitable learning environments for all through universally designed access, engagement, and participation. Each assistive technology tool is utilized to support student needs, whether those needs are academic or physical. It is important that resources are available and appropriately integrated so special populations can gain access to learning content in a way that supports equity. Assistive technologies ensure that access to learning content is available for all students. Student engagement is more fully realized as special population students feel less separated and marginalized. One way that teachers can support equitable learning environments for every student is by introducing the Universal Design for Learning, commonly referred to as UDL. Through UDL, assistive technologies are no longer exclusively for special populations or traditionally marginalized students, but instead normalized for all students. By normalizing assistive technologies for all, teachers can help reduce systematic barriers and enhance learning experience for everyone. Assistive technologies are beneficial to creating equitable learning environments. An ever-increasing variety of assistive technologies are available today. Many of them are digital and easily adaptable to blended and online learning scenarios. Assistive technologies are categorized into 3 levels: no-tech, low-tech, and high-tech. For example, no-tech approaches are not reliant on digital technology. Some examples of no-tech assistive technology approaches include physical changes to spaces, such as adding ramps to the classroom, providing pencil grips, or using special scissors. Assistive technologies are not limited to physical objects, but also cover teaching methods, like using graphic organizers or providing students with explicit to-do lists. Low-tech strategies include using basic technology tools that most students or their families would use in their everyday lives, like a calculator or a cell phone. They can also include using everyday items, such as an ergonomic mouse or a mouse adapted for left-handed users. Other low-tech strategies include audiobooks or simply activating closed captions on videos. Low-tech assistive technologies can also be part of physical spaces, like push buttons to open automatic doors. High-tech assistive technologies might require additional high-cost purchases. For example, augmentative and alternative communication devices are technology tools that help students communicate ideas and feelings without using verbal communication. Other high-tech assistive technologies include computers with touchscreens, mobile devices like tablets or cell phones that include voice-to-text software, hearing devices, or electric wheelchairs. Assistive technologies, or learning supports, are beneficial for all learners, including students with diverse needs and backgrounds. For example, when teaching, teachers may provide direct instruction in multiple ways, whether in blended, online, or face-to-face learning scenarios. In-person, no-tech assistive technology options might include written materials that make use of text formatting, such as bolding or underlining, to emphasize learning content. In blended and online learning, low-tech options such as learning management systems are often utilized when providing digital versions of physical learning materials. High-tech support might include voice recordings of direct instruction that can be uploaded alongside digital learning materials. Often, teachers utilize a combination of assistive technologies that involve multiple assistive technologies approaches, from no-tech to high-tech. These might include pencil grips combined with high-tech technology like computerized pens for students who struggle with handwriting. It is beneficial to remember that all students might benefit from accessing and engaging in the learning content in multiple formats. Assistive technologies can help promote self-reliance and independence by giving students more voice and choice in their learning. Today, many students have access to personal computers, alternative keyboards, audiobooks, graphic organizers, optical character recognition, speech recognition applications, and text-to-speech applications. Utilizing assistive technologies or learning supports helps ensure that students have equitable opportunities for learning. It is beneficial to explore how all students benefit from assistive technologies in blended, online, and face-to-face learning. Additional resources for assistive technologies to promote universal accessibility are available on this webpage. Resources include a printable summary, related examples, articles, blogs, infographics, and videos, and links to other related blended and online teaching hub topics.